Hello, Adam Kopacz, Excel lover from Poland. If we want to show our data, trend of our data, we can use line charts, but most of the cases charts are large, so we don't want this solution. The solution we want something simple, something small. We want chart in cell, and those charts are called Sparklines, and we can simply add them to cells. We have to just select one empty cell, then on Insert tab we have to find Sparklines, and we want to choose lines because we want to show trend. So just select proper range of our data. Location is good, data range is good without dollars, so just press OK, and we have one small chart, and by dragging it down we have trends for other countries. And I want to add some markers. High point, the largest value, let's say green point, green marker, and low point, the smallest value, red marker. And just like that we have small trend lines in the cells. And Sparklines, the size of Sparklines depends on the size of the cell. But there is a simple trick we can use if we want bigger, larger Sparklines. We can merge cells, and just like that we have one big cell. And when we insert, let's say, column Sparkline, we have to proper select location range D7, just one cell, and data range, and it's this line. Okay, just press OK. Column chart, maybe not, I prefer line, so let's change it, and we have line chart in merge cell.